Now, if you're like me, you love routine videos, morning routine, evening, afternoon, whatever, because it's fascinating to get a glimpse into people's daily lives. This morning routine video is a little bit different because it's all about that Airstream living. Myself, my husband, our 2.5-year-old daughter, and our dog, Atlas, all live together in a not once but twice renovated vintage Airstream that's 200 square feet of space. Before we get into our morning routine, I want to give a special thanks to our sponsor, eVive. I'm going to be telling you a bit more about them shortly. The sun is shining and we all wake up together. Just kidding, that does not happen. It's actually Kai jumping on my face, waking me up, elbowing me, kissing me, playing with my hair, pulling my hair, whatever she could do to get me up. And then Atlas comes, joins, licks me. Everyone's coming for me, and Sia, untouched, rolled up in his burrito, gets to sleep in. And then we get out of bed and we step, a good 5 feet into the kitchen. We like to start the day first thing by hydrating our bodies with some water, sometimes water and lemon, as well as take our vitamins. After we have some water, we open up the blinds, we let the sun in. It feels so good. Light, sunshine, vitamin D. Give it to me. We let Atlas go pee, we go pee, and then we feed Atlas, and then we get into coffee and breakfast making. I have been committed to smoothies for at least the past 6 years. Every single morning, I have a smoothie, without fail. No matter where I am in the world. One of the first things I do when I get to a new place is I go to Google Maps and I type in smoothie bar or juice bar, anything that relates to smoothies, so I know where to go if I need to in the morning. While strolling through the grocery store one day, I went to the frozen fruit section and discovered eVive for the first time, and I'm so glad I did because it totally fits into our lifestyle. This is what an eVive smoothie wheel looks like. It is packed with goodness, healthy goodness, and it tastes delicious. It looks beautiful. This one's one of my favorite, mango amla berry. It is made with blue spirulina, so it has that bright blue color, and also spirulina is really good for you, among so many other ingredients that are clean, vegan. That's what I'm looking for when I buy anything. And most importantly, I know every single ingredient in this. There aren't words that I'm like, what? What am I consuming? What? You don't even need a blender to make an eVive smoothie, which makes it great for travel as well. You just pop it into a glass, a little bit of liquid of your choice, and then as it melts, as the cubes melt, you just shake it up and there you go, you're good to go. I like using a blender when I can because I like to make it a little thicker to make a smoothie bowl. That's our go-to right now in the morning is our smoothie bowls because Kai loves putting the toppings on top and it's just more fun to eat a smoothie with a spoon. eVive smoothies are 100% plant-based. They are easy and quick to make, they're nutritious, they have high quality ingredients, so organic fruits and vegetables, superfoods, and proteins in each smoothie. And there's no added sugar. Thank you. I hate when I get a smoothie and it's had sugar added to it. Why? Why? There are no artificial flavors or preservatives, it's gluten-free, it's non-GMO, certified organic. That is basically everything that I live for. No, but really, it is. I love that you can do so much with eVive smoothies too. You can make popsicles, smoothie bowls, smoothies, and ice cream. You can just eat the cubes, full on, eat the cubes as they are. Once smoothie bowls are ready, the smell of coffee is lingering in the air. Sia magically appears. He sleeps in more than me. Anyways, he rolls out of bed, he joins us for breakfast. It's great. It's really nice to be living in an Airstream, and the outdoors feels just as much as our home as the indoors. We spend as much time outside as possible. That's just part of this lifestyle, and that's what we love. We love being close to nature. And after breakfast, I bring in the dishes, and I bring them to the sink to go and wash them. No, I don't. I lie. I actually pile them up and Sia does them later. Gotta take a little, give a little. You got to sleep in, he does the dishes. Kai has already brushed her teeth, Sia's brushed his teeth, gone ready. While I get ready to work out, Sia and Kai take Atlas for a poop walk. A great way to start the day moving their bodies. And when they get back, Atlas joins me for a run. He's been coming with me often, which has made running way more enjoyable. Any way to start my day off moving my body has become really important to me and has become part of my lifestyle. After we've all moved our bodies, we come back to the Airstream, and either I'll get some work done or Sia will get some work done. We like to take turns each day, alternating each day. And whoever is working at the computer or filming or doing whatever needs to be done, and the other one is with Kai playing and just enjoying her, being in her world, which is a wonderful, imaginative world to be in. Everything's getting done, everyone's enjoying life, and it's pretty nice. This is our way of finding that life-work balance, alternating days with Kai and work, and it feels good. I mean, it doesn't always go like that, especially being on the road, and travel days are completely different, and each day is actually a little bit different because of our lifestyle. We do struggle still with that work-life balance, but when we're in this routine, alternating days, it feels really good. Once I've done a little bit of work, I close the laptop, and then we're all ready to go out and spend some time together. We love to, again, be outside in nature, so whatever that means to us that day. And that is a glimpse into our slow, beautiful, peaceful, delicious, and often chaotic mornings in our Airstream home. Thanks again to eVibe for sponsoring this video. You are delicious. And if you want to give it a try, go to the description box below. I have a link there as well as a promo code that you can save 20% on your first order. You're gonna be addicted. Just warning you ahead of time. If you liked this type of video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos, and leave a comment below. Let us know what your morning is like. I like knowing what people do on a daily basis. Everyone is so fascinating to me. So yeah, share below.